Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 333 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called Steady Center, a moment to return to the quiet core within you. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale with ease. Throughout life, it's easy to feel pulled in many directions by tasks, emotions, expectations, and the needs of others. This meditation is your place to come back to yourself. Let your body settle. Feel the support beneath you, and feel the breath moving at its own natural pace. Imagine a calm center inside you, a space that doesn't shift even when everything else does. Now, say to yourself, I can return to my center. I can find steadiness within myself, and I can move through my day with calm intention. If your thoughts wander, welcome them back to this steady, grounded place. When you are ready, bring yourself back to the present moment and carry this sense of inner steadiness with you through your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.